Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to create mud bricks in Green Hell. Now the first thing that we will need to do is to make sure that we have created our mud mixer right here. And then it's just simply us to go ahead and grab some mud right here and then place it into our mixer right here. And grab another one. And place it again in the mud mixer. And now we would need to get some campfire ash. And we would need to go ahead and add in some water as well. Now you just need to go ahead and add in water for you to be able to create the mud bricks, or you can also wait when it rains so you can go ahead and create them. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.